If you own a beauty salon or are planning to start one, building a website on Wix might seem simple, but most beginners get it wrong. The surprising truth is, a poorly designed site can cost you clients without you even realizing it. Today, I'll show you how to use a Wix beauty salon website properly and avoid beginner mistakes. Wix is a website builder that lets you create professional-looking websites with drag-and-drop tools. It's beginner-friendly, but that doesn't mean a random template will bring clients. The first mistake beginners make is choosing the wrong template. Wix has many templates labeled beauty or salon, but some are visually stunning and yet not functional. Your website needs clear navigation, visible service menus, and a booking system. For example, clients should be able to book appointments in 2 clicks or less. If it takes 5 or more, you'll lose bookings. Another common mistake is neglecting mobile optimization. Over 60% of visitors will view your site on their phone. Wix automatically adjusts layouts, but beginners often leave images or text too large, buttons too small, or menus cluttered. Preview your site on mobile before publishing. The surprising truth is that Wix has built-in marketing tools, but most users ignore them. You can create email campaigns, social media integrations, and even SEO-friendly pages. Using these tools ensures your website not only looks good, but also reaches new clients. Beginners also often forget to use a professional booking system. Wix integrates with many booking apps like Wix Bookings or third-party tools. Without it, clients may call or email instead of booking online, which increases friction and missed appointments. Finally, don't overlook images and content. High-quality photos of your salon, staff, and work can boost credibility. Generic stock images make your site look amateur. Pair images with clear service descriptions, pricing, and contact information. In conclusion, a Wix Beauty Salon website can attract new clients and streamline your business if used correctly. Choose the right template, optimize for mobile, leverage marketing tools, integrate a booking system, and use authentic content. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your website can become a powerful client magnet. If this guide helped, subscribe for more website tips, business strategies, and practical advice to grow your salon online.